Hi friends. So what if you are not from the finance background and if you don't know the stock analysis, there is a very easy way out for you to find the best stocks. And the answer is friends, DIIs and FIIs movement. So if DIIs are continuously buying in some stocks for a longer period, you will get to know that there is something which street did not see, but DIIs have seen that, and therefore they are accumulating that stock. And because of that information, you can create your own position and can take a long-term decision about your creating a portfolio, right? So right now we will be talking in this video about the two stocks, which are three stocks basically, not two, where the DIIs are increasing their shareholding, and that's where your smart investors mind should work. So let's begin today's Sagarnomics and let's see which are these three stocks. But please watch the video completely, because if you watch it half, you will get the results which are haywire, right? So complete knowledge is the source of success. So with that, let's begin today's analysis on Sagarnomics. So before we proceed to analyze three stocks which are being purchased by DIIs, I just request you to like the video right now, because later on you will forget about it. And second thing is that if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe, because research based videos I keep on posting on this channel, so you should not miss on that. So subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and let's begin with the first stock. So here on your screen, the first stock is, one sec, that is your Bank of Maharashtra. So why Bank of Maharashtra? The first thing is that this is a bank which is usually unpopular stock, because it's not like SDFC or Axis Bank or maybe Yes Bank or something where every day you find some news. But this is a bank which is out of flavor. But does that mean that it's not a good bank? The answer is absolutely no. It's a wonderful bank. First of all, when we talk about Maharashtra, I feel so proud, because Maharashtra means Shivaji Maharaj. So that gives me immense proud. But apart from emotions, let's get back to the numbers. So Bank of Maharashtra is ticking all the boxes correctly. So let's look at first of all its latest result, and you will get to know that in all the departments it has got green ticks. So be it operating profit, net profit, all have grown. So you see net profit has grown by 44% over here. Operating profit has grown by 14%. Net interest margin, which is the core income of the bank, that has grown by 3.98% as compared to 3.89% last time. It is still growing. Plus current deposits 32% have grown, and gross NPAs have gone down to 1.84 as compared to 2.19, right? Net NPAs are 0.20. They are shaming the big banks, because this bank is delivering phenomenal numbers. Looking at the latest results and now at the numbers, so look, 53 rupees is the price, around 41,000 crore rupees is the market cap, 22 is the return on equity, which is amazing, because banks usually give you 3-4% of saving account, but if you park your money in Bank of Maharashtra kind of bank, you will get 20% above, right? So PEG ratio, it is 0.3, so absolutely undervalued stock, there is no doubt about it. Then looking at its shareholding pattern, plus look at the numbers over here. When we talk about the banks, you will see so many banks are there. Let's look at who is the king and who is not. This is an unsung hero. How? Look at here. The SBI, the big daddy of all the stocks, he has delivered sales growth 16% only. Bank of Baroda 11%, Punjab National 13%, IOB 17%, Canara Bank 14%, Union Bank 12%, and Indian Bank 15%. But look at the Bank of Maharashtra, such a small bank, but 18.73% of sales growth, right? Next, talking about the profit growth, again you will see that except this is an exceptional figure, which is one-time exercise only, but you see most of the banks are delivering the results in the 5 to 10, 15% category, except Indian Bank, which is 38.9%. But profit growth of Bank of Maharashtra, again, it is leading way ahead of the others, right? So when the big daddy SBI is delivering 4% profit growth, Bank of Maharashtra is delivering 10 times of it. This is 44%, 11 times of that profit growth. So now you know why this is a clear sign of a good performing bank. Now look at the shareholding pattern and you'll get to know what I was talking about in the beginning. So DIIs earlier didn't have any interest in it, 3.74%. But now recently, you see, in the last 15 days, that means September 24, after that, they have increased their shareholding 2x. So 4.47% they had, now they have 10.91%. That means their shareholding is doubled. So there must be some reason behind that. So now you get to know about the basic potential of the Bank of Maharashtra. Now let's talk about the technicals of Bank of Maharashtra. So let's look at here. So in the short term, you can simply see that there is a selling pressure on the price, absolutely, but that has actually pushed the RSI to below 30 level. That simply means that there is some good news and the stock will start marching on the higher side, right? So the price has already corrected up to a very high extent and the DIIs have taken benefit out of the low price. Remember that. Next, so what is going to happen is that any good news can push this price to next level of around 72, which is the next support level for resistance level for this stock. Done. So if you think that I am doing a good job, then just do consider subscribing to our channel and like this video to motivate me for doing much better and harder work. And now let's move to the second stock, that is your Himadri Specialty Chemical. So let's look at the first of all the stock. What does this company do? This company is simply in the specialty chemical business and it's basically into the coal based business. So it's into the coal specialty chemical business. Who are its customers? All the tire companies. They have just one supplier, the key supplier, that is Himadri. So they all depend on it for the raw material. So be it CH tires, be it Apollo tires, Bridgestone, MRF, all of the great tire companies are the clients of this company, right? So that is why this company is a very special one. You can simply see all the great companies are its clients. So business model wise, the company is in a unique position. You see all the clients: CH, Vedanta, Apollo, Pidilite, Nalco, Bridgestone, MRF, Graphite India, and so on and so forth, right? Fundamentally 30,000 crore rupees market cap, 600 rupees stock price, and the return on equity is 15%, which is amazing for such a stock, and sales growth is 15%, 11.6%, profit growth is 4.8%. Looking at the numbers, you can simply also see that all the numbers are in a very, very favorable zone. So you simply see that the EBITDA has increased from 156 to 201, that is 29%, and the profit after tax has almost 33% growth, right? Not only that, the profit after tax has grown, plus the company has reduced its borrowings. So earlier it has 836 crore rupees of borrowings, now it is less than half, that is 341. So company is moving towards a debt-free environment, which is a big positive. Cash equivalents, you see 136 crore, now it is 596 crore. So company has more cash in its pockets, right? So this is how the company is doing all the great job in its business. Now coming to the other numbers, and I just wanted to show you that the company is moving, its stock price is moving ahead in a very, very nice fashion. You see continuous high with the rising volume. This simply means that the company is doing good job. Currently there is a little bit selling pressure, but it's a very temporary phenomena. If you look at its shareholding pattern, you will find something great. So holding pattern, you see DIIs, those mutual funds and the other domestic institutional investors, earlier they had no interest in this business, 0%, but now they are holding 3.59%. That is an important development. And not only that, you see the DIIs with this FIIs have also increased their the holding from 1.2% to 5.2%. So that simply means that the company has something very special which these companies have already valued in. Third stock that we want to talk about is on your screen, Tata Technologies, right? Now you would be asking, all technologies companies are in a bad shape, why are you taking Tata Technologies? Answer is very simple. This company is in a unique position, plus it is delivering good business numbers. So 42,000 crore, so absolutely large cap company, no doubt about it. Now look at this, return on capital employed 28% and return on equity is 21.9%. That simply means it's a very powerful company. A little stock is a little overpriced, but you see the great companies are slightly overpriced. Now if you look at the price movement, you will simply see that up to August nobody was looking into it because the company was continuously making lower lows and lower highs, so it was on a downtrend. But from August you see a reversal of the trend has happened with a high rising volume. That simply means that the company's volume is very high. That means the uptrend is very significantly strong. Right now, looking at the shareholding pattern, you will get to know that the company, the promoters are having 55%, but DIIs, FIIs have increased from 2% to 3.6%, and the domestic institutional investors moved their stock holding from 1.1% to 3.44%. That means these FIIs and DIIs both have increased their stake in this company, which makes this company a special one. So I hope with the small video which I made over here, I could not cover everything, and it is obvious because the video would become 3 hours long if that happens, but I tried to concisely give you the real information, and I am sure that by this point you would be able to know that these 3 stocks have something special, and that's why you should keep them on your watch list. Right, and this is just to clear, just a disclaimer that this is a no stock recommendation, it's an educational video, and I want you to learn the things and then take your decision as per your own analysis. So thank you very much for your time. Please make sure you like the video. If you have a question, please ask in the comment section, and also we have a wonderful membership community where I keep on posting the regular updates. If you want to join in, you will find the link in the pinned comment as well as in description. And we have a stock selection masterclass also, where you can learn stock screening techniques to find best stocks in 5-7 minutes only, and ready to use stock scripts are given with that course. So if you don't have time to learn things and if you want to apply directly, that can be supremely useful for you. So link to both the things are given in the pinned comment and description. Please do check those and make sure that you join the same. Right, with that, thank you so much. Have a great time. I'll meet you in the next video. Please make sure that you like and share this video and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you very much. Take care. Jai Hind.